Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to do masking for beginners. So let's get started. First, you want to make sure you have your clip ready, and then press on your clip and then duplicate it, and then make it an overlay, and then swipe it until they're going both at the same exact time. And then go to your overlaid clip, and then go to remove BG, and then go on custom removal. And then you are just going to color in your whole entire character and make your brush size until what size you want until you're comfortable. And I'll be speeding this up. Once you are done, you are going to press the check mark, and then you can press on the circle with the number 1, and you can see how much time it's taking. Alright, once you are done with that, you are going to duplicate the overlaid clip, and then make it under the overlaid clip, just like this. And then go to your second clip, and then make it like bigger than the other Roblox character. You can put it behind, you can put it next to the Roblox character. It doesn't really matter, but I like to put it next to it. And yeah, just make it to where you like it. And then when you are done with that, you are gonna go to effects, and then go to video effects, and then scroll until you see cartoon, and then press on neon, and then make it as long as your clip, and then press on object, and then put on the second one. Don't worry about the background. We are gonna figure that out right now. Go to splice and then go to filter, and then it's supposed to look like that. This is optional, but you can go back to video effects, and then you can go to pro, and then you can go to fancy sharpen. I like to put it on like the masking because it just makes the masking much more colorful. This is optional, you don't have to do this, but I just like to do it. Make it as long as your clip is, and then go to object. If you're doing this, go to object and then press on the second clip, and then it should look like this. What I also like to do is duplicate it, and then I like to put it like on the first clip, and then it will like make it colorful behind the character like that. This is optional. Once again, you do not have to do this, but I just like to do this. And you are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!